Never know how much I love you. I never know how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever when you kiss me, a fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, a fever all through the night. Now listen to me, baby, and hear every word I say. You know that no one can love you the way that I do, because they don't know how to love you my way. You're giving me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, a fever all through the night. Bless my soul, I love you. Now take this heart away, and take these arms that I never, never use. Believe in what my lips have to say. You're giving me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, a fever all through the night. Everybody's got the fever. It is something you all know. Fever isn't such a new thing. No, fever started long ago. Now you've listened to my story. Here's the point that I have made. Cats were born to give chicks fever, be it Fahrenheit or centigrade. Now give me fever